Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Mabinogi error code 00240000005. This error appears when users try to complete an NX purchase and the transaction fails. Players report seeing the error right after the payment process doesn't go through. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network interference, such as a VPN or proxy, or other issues like ad blockers, incompatible browsers, or payment method problems. You may receive this error while attempting an NX purchase if you have a VPN or internet proxy active. If that's the case, disable the VPN or proxy and wait at least 1 hour before trying to make another purchase, and see if this helps. If the error still persists, then make sure you're not using any ad blockers or script blockers, and try the purchase again. If the error still comes, try using a different browser and see if this helps complete the transaction. If switching the browser doesn't help, then try making the purchase on another device, and see if this resolves the error. If the issue still appears, try using a different payment method and check if this helps with the error. If none of these steps work, then submit a support ticket to Nexon Support. Make sure to include a screenshot of the error message and the full reference number to help the support team assist you better. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.